Alright people, it's your boy Kevin Love. Here's another special request from Miss Tina. She wanted to see these two beautiful Eurekas in front of you. I have a lot of requests to get to. I got about 23 different requests. I hope y'all can be patient with me and wait till I get to those. But if not, I do understand. Anyway, Miss Tina wanted to see these two Eurekas, so here you go. We're gonna keep it nice and brief. That's a good one. That one's got some strong power, man. That green one, that's a real good one. Here's my white power line. Alright, Miss Tina C, there you go. Like I said to the rest of y'all, please be patient with your boy. I got about 23 of these to do. And I will be honest with you, they won't be done by this week. So, some of y'all probably won't get y'all videos uploaded until about next week. Might even take longer, I don't know. I work, man. I got a regular job. Like, I don't just play with vacuums all day long, man. So, I'm a regular person. I got a regular 9 to 5, just like the next man. I got kids, I got a wife, so I got, I'm a very busy person, man. So I try to get to these videos whenever I can, though. So thank y'all for your patience, and I appreciate your, y'all for requesting the videos. With that being said, it's your boy Kevin Love, and I'm out. Peace.